Alright, check it out. We got a fractal brush. Look at that, look at that. Isn't that fucking awesome? It's fucking awesome. And check this out. Look how beautiful that looks. It looks fucking interesting, right? So let's look at the code before we run out of fucking time, because I don't want to re-record this, okay? So right here in the Eddy Game data section within Eddy Game Editor, we have set the default width and height of our fractal brush to 8 by 8. Then we've turned off the mirroring mode because it does not play nicely with our fractal brush. Neither does this fucking mode, so we turned it off. This is the randomization of the tile size exponent. Okay, down here in Mouse Master, we have edited Mouse Master Editor put U32. So it takes the mouse X and Y and whether or not we're clicking and dragging. So down here, inside of the put tile, aka set tile section, if the fractal brush and mirroring mode are both on, we're going to yell at the user because those two don't play nicely together. We'll figure that part out later in a different video. Now, if just the fractal brush is on, then we're going to get a shorthand reference to the editor, and the width and height of our brush reference, half of the width and height, and then this is our global tile selection for the brush. The right area mask only supports all binary ones at this time, and we're going to need to center our brush. So here's the code for centering our brush on the x-axis, and the math is going to differ depending on if we have an even brush width or an odd brush width. Then down here we need to center the brush on the y-axis. Once again, the math is going to differ depending on if the brush is even or if the brush is odd. Once we've calculated the selection rectangle for the player size tiles, then we will call Frackaboo GX0, GX1, GY0, GY1, LA3, WHAM, U32 to set a tile, and then we are fucking done. So here's what we did in the previous video, here are our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. So if you are interested, you are on this playlist. If you want a longer explanation, go here. If you just want technical demos, go here. And this is the source code for this video. This is the email for me. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I am Kanji Coder. I'm working on a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller, Bomberman, MMO, and Metroidvania style open world. And the bombs aren't like normal Bomberman bombs. They are proximity mines, and they have different directional blasts. So the idea is that you pass by them, the timer gets set, they light up, and they flash for a little bit before exploding and creating cascading chain reactions. So like and subscribe because it's fucking awesome, and you know it's awesome, and you should like and subscribe. Okay, bye.